Hi you guys all, I'm Putrana Salsabila from English Education Department 6B, and in this time, this is my final exam extensive reading about reviewing novel with the title is Laut Bercerita. Okay, the publication years and character. The publication years is 2017 and the character is Biru Laut, Kinan, Arifin Bramantio, Tunu Diantoro, The Put, Alex Brazen, Daniel Tumbuhan, and all the student activists from the Winatra and Wirasena organization at the time. And the storyline of a young man named Biru Laut Wibisono, who is an English literature student studying at Gadjah Mada University. Together with their comrades in Yogyakarta, they join a small group called Winatra. In this small organization, they voice various things with the background of the government during the New Order era. The sea struggle and its groups were not easy. They had to face various bans and arrests because they were considered a group that opposed the government. Biru Laut Wibisono, who is central figure in this book, is not only present as an activist. The author also describes a sea person as a friend, companion, lover, as a brother and child. In each of their roles in life, Biru Laut faced various struggles and their specific story. In this book, the story of the Biru Laut struggle is also spiced up with the romance of Biru Laut's youth with his lover Anjani. As a son and sister, Laut family live as harmonious and warm family. Laut closeness to his sister Asmarajati is also the key of Laut storytelling. Point of view, my first point of view, which is coming from the Biru Laut, is the visit when he and his friends go through a struggle in speaking out. At this time, the reader is led to scenes of the pain of various injustice felt by Laut and his group in the face of various physical tortures, the pain of being whipped, being put to sleep on the block of ice, being electrocuted is described with an extraordinary narrative by the author. The next point of view comes from Asmarajati, the sister of Biru Laut in this episode. The pain that is present is no longer because of the image of torture experienced by Laut, but comes from the narrative of the loss felt by the Biru Laut family, the family of Biru Laut's friends, and even Anjani when Laut and other activists began to lose track. And the message, although the long struggle of Laut and other activists in this book is fiction, however, the struggle is real. The long journey and of his nation predicts to had to go through many difficult things to be able to present the present to us. They have to die and come back to live over and over again with the hope that the future will no longer be like their past. Die young, you will be born again and again. And the struggle is what we must emulate and be grateful for by living the best way we can at this time. One of the privilege that we find now compared to the time of the Laut is guaranteed freedom of expression. With that, we must also dare to contribute to at least not by silence. Okay, I think that's all I can tell you. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.